Hi, this is Samantha, and today I'm going to show you the Horry County Schools custom tool for SC Ready practice questions. So after you have added the custom chatbot to your MagicSchool account, you can go into the search bar and type in SC Ready, and that will take you to the SC Ready sample items generator. And the instructions for the chatbot are use the attached documents to create assessment questions that are similar to the questions released by the South Carolina Department of Education in the attached documents. Ask the teacher what grade level they teach, and if the question should be for math, ELA, or science, be sure to use South Carolina standards. And then the information that this chatbot is pulling from are from the sample released items provided by the State Department. So from here, all you have to do is click generate, and then it's going to ask you what grade level you teach and what your subject area is. So I could say 4th grade science. And then it is going to give me some sample items. So notice that these items are just from random standards. I could actually tell it, reprompt it and tell it that I want it to use a specific standard. But if I am happy with, and I also like that it's going to give me the depth of knowledge. And as we know, our SC Ready questions are very heavily DOK level 2, so I really like that. But if I'm happy with all of these and I don't want to reprompt it anymore, I can go ahead and click export and export to a Google Doc. And once I export it, it'll open up a Google Doc, and then I can format it from there. If I want to save these to a Google form, I could just copy and paste each question and then save it to a Google form like that. I hope this was helpful. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions about this tool in MagicSchool.